Punkatwar. I am from Maharashtra. I am a mechanical 20 pass out student. It has been 8 months that I was studying in JSpiders Institute, and now finally got a place. Only because of trainers who had taught me in good manner, so I understood all those things and able to crack the interview. I would like to thank you staffs. They had provided good help to get out of the problems. Whatever problem I got, they helped me to solve that problems. Last but not least, I would like to thank entire JSpiders team who helped me in everything. Thank you.